Hi, we have entered the Honda Amaze Viman Nagar outlet. We are looking forward to have a test drive.
If you wanted to cool your car, you can just start your car. Your
Nice.
car would have a good cooling mode whenever you are at the high temperatures. As you can see, the car and the AC is both are working over here. The AC mode is on. As you can see, this is with the height adjustable of 50 mm up and down. So you can adjust your seat reclinable. With lights are the accessories part. Ambient light. All set to go for the test drive.
Yes.
Ready?
We're ready.
All new Honda Amaze.
The feel is very nice and smooth.
Smooth.
What is the NVH level? Noise, voice, vibration, harshness. You feel anything like that?
No noise,
There's no noise.
no vibration either.
The vibrations, I can't feel anything. It is
Okay.
just too good. In local language, you say Maska.
Muska. Sir, you are now into the bumper to bumper traffic at Viman
Yes,
Nagar location. This is
absolutely.
the peak hour time. And you
Yeah.
can see this is the traffic condition and you are going to drive. So put it in the ADAS so you will get to know exact how it works. And about 30 the ADAS will start. Sir, how is the vision road and what is the bonnet visibility you are finding? Sir?
Basically, it's very comfortable. For me, right now, it's very comfortable. And as you said, another lever over here for the height adjustment. See, the visual is quite clear for me.
Yeah. You can adjust your seat height, the road presence also, and all side and lane change camera will show you the left side and right is nearest. So this all thing make you more comfortable.
Right now, I'm in the middle of traffic and it's the rush hour and I'm going at the speed of 30.
Activate the ADAS. Set it? Yeah. Just relieve your foot. So this is the ADAS, sir. Welcome to all new Honda Amaze with level 2 ADAS. As you can see, this all things are operated selfly, sir. Your speed is going automatically.
Yeah.
So you can increase your speed. Automatically the car is getting the further speed and decreasing your speeds and
So
everything.
it goes in the memory.
It has its own brain. It's called ECM. So ECM is connected with the ADAS, and this is all been taken care by the car's brain, and this is all been personally. So you are not doing with your foot. It is automatically driven.
Yeah.
Whenever the new things are coming in the market now,
Yeah.
it takes times to settle down.
Yeah.
So people previously we were having a small mobile, and now we are habitual for the touch.
Correct. Mhm.
So this is all that. See, this is going to help a lot because see, anything goes wrong when your family or child or anyone is driving.
Yeah.
So how comfortable is going to be every time you are not going to be with your family or your members with you or friends with you. So the safe part is that the ADAS is with you every time.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is the main concept of the ADAS, that it is safe from all this. As you can see, you have done with the 45 speed. You have as of now there is no lane, but I'll show you once we get at the lane also.
Yeah.
I'll get you the lane keep assist and the all rest all controls also in your
No
car. It
problem.
will sense properly and you just need.
Now, I'm not doing anything.
Before 30,
Automatically
it
slow
will slow down and automatically it will take normal braking, soft braking, hard braking, any of them. So these all things are covered by ADAS.
Should I apply brakes
This
now?
is all
Apply.
things.
Because I have to apply, otherwise you don't apply.
I'm going to apply
That is what.
because we came too close.
Finish there.
See, there's a distance that you have to calculate that we have to
If
keep
you
a
see
distance.
you don't apply also, it will automatically sense. It is with the 100-degree wide angle. The ADAS is capturing everything and controlling
What if I go
everything.
and bang right now?
It will not
What
bang,
happened?
sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it will
No,
not bang.
now.
it came very close.
The only thing is that you should trust the ADAS.
Okay.
Because you are not habitual, so you would
So
be worried
you will
that I
have-
should brake
yes,
press, I should
yes,
brake
yes,
press.
yes.
See, it will start beeping. Any object comes between, and it will any object.
It
will-
beeps, that's
it
true,
beeps, and
that's
it will
true.
give you the indications.
an
And
alarm,
if you don't
yeah.
control, it will do the normal hard, soft braking, everything over
Okay, I
there.
have a question.
Uh,
Right now, like as per see, automatically, I feel like it's braking automatically.
uh,
That's ADAS, right?
Uh-huh.
ADAS feature. Another thing, like okay, now there's a bump over here. It just took the bump. It just took that pothole also. So is it? These are not supposed to be, right?
No, it is because see, it is not that it
I'm
will
not doing
not.
anything now. It's picking up on its own.
It is picking up its own because the further car speed have increased, na.
Yeah.
So your speed, what you have logged, if it is beyond that, it will take that speed, na.
Okay.
So basically, it's intelligent. It's
Things
using
are-
its functions based on your speed.
Now this is a real test. There's a car in front of me. There are a couple of cars.
Okay,
now it's
your
stopped now,
speed.
it's
See, it is the
They're
this
giving you
ADAS.
alarm
If you see
also.
30, if you are beyond 30, it will not. It should be above 30.
So automatically it went down. The speed went down,
Automatically, the speed will went down and it will control and it will show you that your cruise control is disengaged.
Yeah, I'm used to cruise control, but not ADAS.
So this is the adaptive cruise control. na.
But about the car, it's very good. It's running. I don't want to be biased to Honda or something. Any new car, it will be smooth. and this is just like launched on the 4th of December. So I'm sure like it's going to be smooth. But having said that, you can still feel the difference. It has a good pickup also.
See, no one can beat us in the petrol engine. We have the legacy in our petrol engine. So we are number one in the petrol engine. See, we are less at cosmetic, but we are very good at comfort.
Right.
Cosmetic, you can put it in the accessories. Multiple items are available in the accessories. Multiple items are now available with the Honda Genuine accessories. You can buy, but you can't buy safety. So never compromise your safety.
Correct.
That's the main point when people should understand quality and quantity, two different things are there in the market. So before buying, the more quantity you will have, the more wear and tear you will have in your car. Keep your car as simple you can. The main water blocking, if you see major water blockings and this all thing will have the major electrical failure. So in these all things you need, while buying you should be having this all thought point that where your car going to be parked, what is the parking area, what do you have in your premises, that is open parking, closed parking, where it's going to be. As you can see, the ADAS have gave you the signal that it is below 30, so it will indicate you.
Yes. So, you're sold on the Amaze. Honda Amaze, you love it?
See, I've already driven like cars like this. At the end of the day, Honda is Honda. It's Japanese, so you can blindly trust Japanese car, right? And at the same time, this has features in that price bandwidth. 10 lakhs, you get everything.
So no one will give you ADAS in this cost because the more, if you see that you are buying a under 10 lakh rupees, you can say you are buying under 1 lakh rupees 16 Pro Max.
I'm not taking a seat in the red. Excuse me. Oh, this is really luxurious and it's only a Honda Amaze. So guys, don't lose out. Make your buy and make plan and value for money. Don't miss out on this. It's a great deal.